Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for a Marcus by Goldman Sachs account in a fast and easy way. If you're looking to manage your savings or investments effectively, follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Visit the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. This is the starting point for creating your new account. 2. Click on Get Started. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed to make the registration process simple. 3. Select account type. You will be presented with several account options. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as a high-yield savings account or a personalized investment account. 4. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal details. This typically includes your name, date of birth, social security number, and residential address. Make sure all information is accurate. 5. Verify your identity. To comply with regulations, Marcus may require you to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or providing additional documents like a driver's license or utility bill. 6. Set up your online profile. Create a secure username and password for your account. Choose security questions and answers that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. 7. Fund your account. Once your account is created, you'll need to fund it. You can link a checking or savings account for easy transfers. Decide how much money you want to deposit to get started. 8. Review and submit. Before finalizing your registration, review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is correct, then submit your application. 9. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting, check your email for a confirmation message from Marcus. Follow any further instructions in the email to activate your account fully. 10. Log into your new account. Once your account is active, return to the Marcus website, log in with your new credentials, and start managing your finances. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and financial guidance.